Thanks for checking out this video. I normally don't do review videos on tools myself. I usually just get what I want and everything, but I want to do this video because I'm pretty impressed with this tool. This is a pair of side cutter, diagonal cutters, whatever you want to call them. What I do, I'm just a repair guy. I work on electric fence boxes. I do cattle scales and low bars for livestock weigh scales and stuff like that. So I'm an independent shop. I work on all that different stuff for people all over the United States. Ship things to me for repair. But a company got a hold of me and wanted me, I guess saw one of my videos me working on stuff, and I was like, hey, maybe this guy might want to try one of our tools out. So they sent me a link to the tools that they sell. They had them on Amazon. They're about $8, $7, $8, something like that. That's with prime shipping. And I was like, you know what, I'll try them. So why not? You know, a tool's a tool. I'll try it because I've been using, you know, regular diagonal cutters for years, and I had no problem with them. But I really like these. These are really, really good. The model of it's called MC-180. Monvic, I guess it's a company that makes them or something, sells them. But I really like them. They're really sharp. I've actually used them for cutting open boxes. I've turned them sideways, and I've get boxes shipped in to us all the time. I've taken them, so I just poked and sliced the box open. They're really sharp. They come to a finer point to them. Like if you look at a regular pair of diagonal cutters, side cutters, whatever, pretty thick, which is nice. But look how much thinner these ones are. They get closer into things. They can just get in there a little bit closer to the board. Like we work on circuit boards and things for people. You can get right on there close to things and snip leads off and stuff. You can cut wire with it. Another thing is, like most side cutters, diagonal cutters or whatever, they're not spring loaded. So you have to use your finger like this to open and close it, which is not a big deal. I've been doing it for decades like that. But this one's got a little spring in there. So, you know, it's a spring whatever the word is, spring activated deal. So it's real quick and it's really sharp. I really like them. You know, I'm not gonna make any money off this, so you know that's not what I'm here for. I'm just here to tell you what I think about them, but they're real good. I'll find the link that I bought them through on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below, so I won't make a dime off that. So buy them at your will, you know, whatever. I'm not gonna get a penny from them. So I'm just here to anybody that's in the electrical repair, or if you just want something around the house. This would be good for cutting, cutting wire and snipping stuff. I don't know, when you want to snip your dog's toenails with, I don't know. But I love them. I think they're really good. I mean, you know, now they ain't, you know, the greatest by any means. These aren't like a set of I can't think of an expensive brand like Klein's, you know, one of their high dollar things. We have a pair of channel lock side cutters, whatever. Those are real good. They're cheaper than Klein's, but I really like them. We've been using this for about a month or two, and I use them, if not every day, probably every other day, at least every week. These are pulled over on the table. I'm cutting something, stripping something, snipping something, all kinds of stuff with it. But it's just a really handy. They're really sharp. I really like them. So just go on Amazon and just look up. Just type in MC. What is it? MC-180 cutter. Just type that in. That's how I think that they're labeled on there. MC-180 cutter. Just type that in there. About $8, $7. They're not super expensive. I mean, I'm sure they're made over in China, but oh well. That's where a lot of the stuff's made. Even DeWalt, some of their stuff's made in China, so it is what it is. But they're good, and for the money, I think they're really, really good. I mean, good set of cutters, snippers, and side cutters, diagonal cutter, whatever you want to call them. All right, well, that's it for this little video. Thought I'd share it with you. So if you're interested in them, look them up. I'll put a link down in the description. I won't make a penny off the thing. It's just a link. I'll go to Amazon, copy and paste it down there, and then you click on it and buy it if you want. I don't care. And next time, we'll see you later.